Hey everybody, welcome back to some more X4. Today we're going to take a look at building an advanced electronics factory. So advanced electronics are pretty important in the game. So if you go to encyclopedia, go to military, go to weapons, and click on most of these, you'll notice they all require advanced electronics. So if a faction loses advanced electronics factories, they have a hard time building warships. And that is currently what's happening in Argon Prime. Now, they have some advanced electronics factories, but just not enough to rebound the way we need them to. So we're going to help them along a little bit by building our own advanced electronics. Let's turn off some of these filters. So we're going to actually build a new station. Yeah, right around here is fine. There's my mammoth, so he'll definitely help us out. Let's make it a little bigger on all sides. Create new plot. We'll put it right here. 216K for the license. Take it. Okay. Continue. All right. So, as always, we start with the dock. I've already bought the advanced electronics module. So, we'll start with a dock. We're going to actually, so let's see. We want the 3 medium ship one for sure. I like starting in the back area. I don't know, it just seems easier. And we'll definitely want some. Let's put that here. Click it. Spin it. And there we go. So we got a dock there. And I'd like to get a second dock. There. Okay, so we have 2 docks. Great. We have for 2 large ships, and we can have 3 medium ships and 6 small ships. So we got plenty of docking space. Next up, let's put down some connection modules. So we'll connect it out here. Great. And now we'll need, of course, a cross module. Advanced electronics, and we're not going to build the raw materials processing. So that'd be like quantum tubes. We are going to build a solar power. So let's go ahead and take care of that real quick. Production energy cells. So we definitely whoa. Oh no, that's gonna be a pain. No. All right. That's gonna make things a bit interesting. Not too bad though. We can work around that. I didn't think this was longer than the pier, but it is. So we'll get around that by storage. So we need container storage. We're gonna need a bunch of container storage, and I'm going to actually put some small ones right here. So select, turn, and then we actually can put a second one right here. And then we'll put a cross beam. Other modules, cross at the end. Good. Then can we turn this? Oh, what? Ah! It's in the way still? Are you kidding me? Urgh. Alright, let's remove that. Remove that. Put the cross there. There, okay. So, all right, we have energy production. So for energy cells, I'm not going to include quantum tubes though. I'm going to import those for now. So we also need habitat. So let's drop a habitation module there. Great. And now we need our production modules and also some more container storage. So what is this? So we need stuff. We need stuff at the top here. So let's put that there. All right, other modules. Let's go put that here. Cross module. Vertical module. All right, so then we're going to need a cross module. Then we can put this guy up there. Put one there. I'm going for 3. So let's put a base module here. Spin it. Close. There. There we go. And this is going to be an expensive build, by the way. And our cross module there. And then we can put another advanced electronics right there. So we got 2. Let's go for, I don't know if we can fit 3. Let's see. I'm going to try to fit the 3rd one right there. Cross module there. And production module right there. All right, so we got 3 production modules. The last thing we need to put is definitely some more storage. So we have the large container storage, so we can kind of stick one here. And here. All right, so this should be enough. But look at all those things we have to build. This is going to be expensive. How much is it going to cost us? 10 million credits. So this is going to be a big build. But we're going to do it. All right, let's make sure to assign our mammoth. Select. Accept estimate. Confirm module changes. All right. So we are good to go. Let's see what this sucker needs, though. What's going on here? Why am I moving around? Let's see what kind of resources we actually need for this. If we look at plan build, resources needed, 11,000 hull parts, 6,000 energy cells, 3,000. And already we got stuff on the way, so that's good. We have just built our big freighter, so we can have the freighter get involved with the hull parts. So I think this is the one that has hull parts. No. Hull parts.
Found something out here.
Oh, it doesn't have many. So we'll go find hull parts. And when this is done building, we'll be right back. And the complex is built. So, this is pretty cool looking. The advanced electronics. module is pretty neat and distinctive. It's this bright, clear, cylinder sort of thing right here. And if you look in it, you can see like lasers going on. You can see items being moved around. It's really cool. This is definitely one of the more intricate, if that's spinning around, definitely one of the more intricate modules that I have seen in the game. So yeah, this is built. We built 3. Remember, this was a $10 million project. We got plenty of storage containers down here. They're large. Power supply for energy cells. The dock is back here. See, we have a Demeter dock there doing business. Let's take a look at the station itself.
Ship Technology Factory.
All right, Ship Technology Factory. Where are you? There it is. So if we look at the plan build, everything is built. We did 3 production modules. Look at the logical build here. As you can see, we do have a lot of supply. We can store 408K energy cells, a lot of microchips, and a lot of quantum tubes. Maybe I didn't need so much storage, but can you really have too much? I don't know. We did build a habitat, so there is a workforce building up, which will help make things more efficient. And we have our 3 advanced electronics producing approximately 900 units per hour in game hour. And we have been quickly going through them. So things are definitely selling out. We need quite a bit of budget because of all this empty space. But, I'm not too worried about it. Drones definitely need to increase the amount of drones. Let's do that now. We do have the budget to go purchase them, so they should fill up soon. All right, let's take a quick look. I do have several ships assigned. I have 2 freighters assigned to work it. Let's see, what are they up to? I always love to see what kind of trades they're doing. So, selling energy cells. And where's the other guy? I have 3 traders. That's right. I thought I had more, but they're all doing stuff, so that's a plus. Okay, so he's selling advanced electronics to the Argonne Wharf, which is great. The Argonne Wharf needs advanced electronics. So that is working exactly how I kind of hoped it would. We are doing a lot of work with trying to supply the Argonne Wharf. We could set up a specific trade route with that using Station Mule. So I have this Demeter doing nothing. We could go to the behaviors and then do Station Mule. And then, pick out the station, target station, wharf, and now it will take whatever, it'll basically compare what my station builds and what the wharf needs and pretty much just transfer goods between those 2 stations. And we could have it do energy cells if we needed to. Right now, it kind of won't. So I don't know if we need to do that. The automated system, the normal life simulation system is doing that for us already. So we can kind of use this trader for something else if we want. But it is an option in case we really want to make sure that we're supplying that. And our goal here is partly to make to keep making sure that this wharf has the supply, so the Argon fleet will start to be rebuilt. And if we take a look, advanced electronics is still lacking quite a bit, as are turret components, but those are only kind of needed for certain ships. So we may have to look into supplying turret components. They don't seem to have a decent supply, but advanced electronics are still the main kind of issue here, along with lack of storage. Lack of storage, I think, is another problem we're having. But those are things we can't really deal with right now. So that is the advanced electronics factory. We might look into, one of the HOP are also trading with us quite a bit. We may look into building our own quantum tubes, and that's what the HOP is selling us. So we're buying quantum tubes from the HOP. There are microchips available in system, so I think we've been doing those ourselves. But, I think this factory will help in the goal of rebuilding the Argon fleet quite a bit. But if you were curious about advanced electronics, I hope that helped. Thanks for watching, and catch you later.